This guide provides instructions on how to manually list accessories in TCG PowerTools. Let's head to the Listing and Appraisal view. To add accessories, click on Add Accessories. To manually list your items, simply select the Single Mode option. Now start typing the name of the item you want to add. You can select an expansion and start typing the name of the item in the name field. You can even change the search language if you want. Then click on the item, or press Enter on your keyboard to select the item you want to add. By default, the item will be in English and quantity of 1. In this view, you can change the quantity, add a comment, or use keyboard shortcuts to change language. If you prefer, you can change the default values for an item you are listing. For example, if you want to list items in German, you can make your life easier by setting the template. Now when you list new items, they will have new default values. If you made a mistake and want to change the parameters of the listed item, click on the Edit icon. A pop-up window will appear where you can change the parameters. Once you've listed all the items you want, select them all and publish them to Card Market. This guide covered the steps to manually list accessories in TCG PowerTools.